YouTube, what up, what up? We back at it again with another unboxing for you guys. This is from the house of Bortnikoff. This is Oud Maximus. Let's get straight into it. That's how it looks. Oud Maximus extrait. It's an extrait de parfum. All right, let's get into it. Some tough plastic. Read there. But you can see it right here. Read it for yourself if you want. Let's get into it. This is, a pretty expensive one, but all natural stuff, worth it. This is it right here. This is Oud Maximus. Extrait de parfum. Very nice bottle. You see that juice? See that juice? Hey, big shout out to Scent Split. I meant to say that at the beginning. Big shout out to Scent Split. They hooked your boy up with a bunch of samples. Let me know if y'all know these brands. Mind Games, Bianco, Latte. They got me right with this brand. If y'all ever heard or used any of these. They got your boy right with some samples. First time buying from Scent Split. Shout out to them. They came through. Hooked your boy up. Let's get back to this masterpiece. Oud Maximus by Bortnikoff. Extrait de parfum. Look at that juice, though. See if we get any whiffs. The atomizer is very nice. I got the Oud. Let me get a test strip. I don't get no whiffs from the nice test strip right here. But yeah, let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know if y'all own this. Let me know if y'all ever buy anything from Bortnikoff. And let's try this on the strip. Wow. Wow, that smells pretty good. So this is supposed to have, so the top notes in this is bergamot, sweet orange, pink pepper, jasmine, sambac, cardamom. Yeah, I get that, get like that orange, pink pepper, definitely some jasmine. The heart notes is rose de Mai. It has 4 roses in it. It has 4 different ouds in it. So you already know this shit's amazing. Rose de Maya, Himalayan rose, Indian rose, hybrid rose, Attar, Gulab, Magnolia, Frangipani, Clove, and Tonka Bean. That's all in the middle notes. Base notes is Indian Oud, Oud roots, Trap, Oud purple, Kochang, Fel Oud, Oud from Sri Lanka, Birch Tar, Balsam, Vanilla, Musk, and Civet. So it has purple, it has Oud Purple, Koh Chang, Indian Oud Roots, Trap, and Oud from Sri Lanka. That's fire. All natural, real oud in here. So let me know your thoughts and let me know how y'all feel about Oud Maximus and Bortnikoff brand, and if y'all own any of these. I'm out. That's just a quick unboxing. You know, I'm gonna wear this and use it and give y'all a real life review. So I'll be back later. Sub and subscribe, like and subscribe. Beautiful bottle.